Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. First of all, thank you for watching our short video. Please don't forget to like and share the video as well. So this video, basically what we'll be talking you through is a bit about the installation, what we've done on this absolutely stunning vehicle. So this, for you if you haven't seen this car before, it's a Mercedes AMG GTS. Absolutely phenomenal car. So very proud to be working on something like this, but this is a normal day in the life of, so we're very proud for that as well. So what we've installed is a Thatcham approved category 5 tracking system. Most of the time your insurance company will be asking you for this on particular vehicles like this or similar sort of vehicles. So this basically gets always carried out within the day. Vehicle comes into us, we offer free loan cars, and also if your vehicle is a bit further away from us, we're based in Cambridge, we also offer a collection and delivery service. So talk through a bit about the product. We use a Vodafone Protect and Connect 5. This is a 24-hour stolen vehicle helpline that the security system comes with. So the way it works is basically it's the same tracking system as a Vodafone Protect and Connect 6, which is the Thatcham approved category 6 tracker. However, it comes with these two little tags. These two little tags, what they do is basically what they're really called is an ADR tag. It's a recognition tag for the drivers. So either yourself, your wife, whoever's driving the vehicles, one in each pocket or anything like that. So the vehicle will trigger an alert to Vodafone Automotive if the vehicle is started with or without a key without one of these two tags present. So it takes a standard vehicle tracking system, a category 6, up another notch. So category 5 is the highest level tracking system that you can go for. That's probably why your insurance company is asking for it. Even if your insurance company isn't asking for it, this is our go-to and recommendation, because it gives you the stolen vehicle tracking. So if the vehicle is stolen for whatever reason or moved or anything like that, you've got the ability to track it first of all yourself on an application called My Connected Car. If you go on your app store, you can download it, and also what you can do is actually just go on a demo run to see how the product works and what sort of information you're going to be getting from the tracking system. So that's basically an overall of the application. If the vehicle is stolen, Vodafone Automotive will give you a call notifying you of any stolen activity. If the vehicle isn't stolen, and you're moving it and you've just forgotten your tags, it doesn't immobilise the vehicle. But Vodafone Automotive, key aspect is they can remotely immobilise the vehicle. So overall, that's a bit of an overview gist of the product. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our contact number, I'll drop it below, but it's 01223 56 30 30. I'll also put all the links for the product down below. We've got a designated section on our website for the Vodafone Protect and Connect 5. So thank you very much for watching. This is an AMG GTS that we've been working on. It's a 2018 model. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and share our video. Thank you.